beautiful boy is in my backyard. He followed me back here. And look at him, isn't he gorgeous? He's scenting. Hey, Lokai, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, pet. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Lokai. Lokai, look. Look, Lokai. 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 Come on, here he comes. I just threw his toy. There's his toy. Oh, and there's Luna. Hey? Oh, it's okay. And there comes Fiddle. And Lokai's got his toy. And there's Fiddle. Oh, he's taken off. He doesn't want anybody playing with his toy. And zoom back. Because here is Fiddly Dum. Fiddly Dum. Fiddly Dum. Fiddly Dum. Okay, okay, everybody down. You want some cookies? Here's a cookie. You want a cookie too, Luna? Oh, pretty Luna. Pretty Luna. Me? And Lokai. It's all right, Lokai. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Hi. How are you doing, Al? I'm good. Just playing with my big boy. Lokai. Oh, that sun. Yeah, get your toy. We just gave him a new toy. Oh, is she ever cute? Okay, guys, now that's a little girl. You be careful now. It's okay, Lokai.